Hi, it's Jandy Autry. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. An adorable cookie bouquet like this, it can only be puppy love. And whether you're a professional decorator like the ones at Cookies by Design, or you make them at home, there are two secrets to the perfect decorated cookie. First, the cookie dough, and second, the royal icing. Both can be tricky, so here's the how-to. Look for your favorite stocking cookie recipe. I've included mine in the comments. The cookie should be at least 1/4 inch thick. The next secret is the perfect royal icing. In a bowl, start with 4 cups of powdered sugar. Meringue powder is the secret to giving royal icing its structure, so I'm adding 3/4 cup. Then 2 teaspoons of almond extract and enough water, about 1 1/3 cups, to create an icing the consistency of school glue. Separate the icing into bowls and add your food coloring. I'm making pink and red and leaving the rest white. And now for the piping. You can use a squeeze bottle, a number 2 or 3 round piping tip, or you can just snip off the end of a piping bag. Create a thin border in a slow, steady stream. And then flood the cookie with the royal icing, using a toothpick or skewer to fill in the holes. Let the icing harden and then decorate. One popular technique is the heart border. Dot the cookie with the desired color. Then take a skewer or toothpick and drag it through the dots, creating hearts. It's really pretty when you combine 2 colors of dots. The result is gorgeous. So, with the right cookie dough and the perfect royal icing, you could make your own homemade cookies by design. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.